Two English words that people pronounce incorrectly all the time are heart and patient. Heart, patient. Not art and patient. Heart and patient. In American English, they call this an eraser, and in British English, a rubber. Be careful, because a rubber in America is a condom. I found out the hard way. What is the name of this? Big Ben. If you type Big Ben on Wikipedia or Google, this is the image you will find. But be careful, Big Ben is only the 13-ton bell inside. The tower is actually called St. Stephen's Tower, not Big Ben. Google. Stop confusing people. Stop using the word nice. It's such a boring word and there are a million alternatives. Here are just a few. Pleasant, delightful, marvellous, entertaining, delicious, lovely. Look at this beautiful little creature stealing my food. This is a bird. Bird. And this is a beard. I'm still waiting for my student. So, here's something else that you maybe didn't know. Great Britain doesn't include Northern Ireland, but the United Kingdom does. So they're different. In the next two videos, I'm going to explain the difference between make and do. Swipe up or down. I don't know what you do, I don't remember. One way or the other.